Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we give you an update on the state of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and a follow. Please subscribe. Watch us across the platforms. Please comment. Comments drive the algorithm. When I'm not driving the algorithm down with my words. Well, here we are. It's been a week since the last video, and our squashes are doing what they're doing. I've been really busy this week, and of course this week we've had the weather that we really wish we could have had at any point in time between June and August, which was a week of a nice steady state of rain on and off. So that was missing this summer to help us with the growth. Oh, look, we still have a tomato. Interesting. All these fruits and veggies that I cannot really consume without making me break out because of my allergy to nightshades. And look, one of our squashes finally gave up the ghost off its vine. Very good. Well, now that I've been busy all week with my other show, I really need to come out here this weekend and finish collecting more squashes. I had collected a good amount of squashes. That squash didn't even break when it hit the ground. Excellent. Yeah, so we've been harvesting some of the squashes, and but this weekend with the rain and everything, I said, you know what, I'll just wait till the weekend and harvest some more. Did harvest more zucchini every day, beans as well. Now, one of these squashes here had been attacked. You might have seen this in one of the prior videos. I just leave it there. Best to keep feeding off that one. Unlike the last garden I had, where I had a gopher. Gophers were always a problem there, until I was finally able to start live trapping them. And then after that we, oh, is that a hummingbird? Is that a hummingbird go by? Huh. Yeah, once our family had a little dog, a little ratter, she kept them away. Predator P always works for me. But yeah, so the gopher, little El Cid, when he would come and take bites out of my veggies, especially the zucchinis, you know, he couldn't just eat one. He would have to go around and take a bite out of every single one of them. Oh no, this one's not good enough. Oh no, this one's not good enough. Oh, this one's just right. No, not right enough for me to continue eating. Let's go eat another one. And this mess of a tomato plant. So I let this grow right here, coming through the flagstones, because, well, cherry tomatoes were growing in a pot here on the corner, just like this, what is that noise? Breaks. Just like this basil that's bolting here, going to seed. And of course, one of the tomatoes crushed into the path, and then the seeds were there, and then they grew this summer, and I've just let it grow, and it's just very resilient for tomato plants. Especially this cherry tomato one here. I can't even climb over it. I'm gonna have to go around. Yes, we have eaten some kale. I just wish the plant would be bigger in the spring so I could enjoy it more, and then I get so much of it growing, and then I get sick of it. Oh, look, another zucchini today. Thank you. Thank you for this bounty. And another zucchini there. Goodness. Wow, isn't that interesting, eh? See how you got on these leaves and right next to it. Oh well, let's grab it. And another zucchini. Well, I guess if I started at least one plant earlier, next spring. Oh my goodness, another sneaky zucchini. This one's huge. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look. A week's worth of a weed. Get out! Get out! I'll dig it up now, just keep growing. Of course, all our potatoes got harvested. And the carrots, of course, and the beans. We've been out here picking beans every other day, stripping them bare, letting the small ones grow, like these, into bigger beans. And we have been enjoying our beans and carrots. Well, we'll go out here and grab some more at the end of the day. There's a little more growth here. What's going on? Yeah, it wants to grow. I was giving some zucchinis away this week, and there was a difference between the ones that were growing on the ground, and of course the ones that were hanging. Oh, look, little squirrel, little squirrel. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So, oh, this one here, I guess, didn't get flowered. Starting to rot. Well, we were harvesting some off this. Of course, they grow differently when they're hanging than they are on the ground. They go a little more bulbous. All right, well, let's go in the front. Well, it looks like Butch is still making flowers even this late. All those little buds. This is nice for a little sunflower to be doing this. And of course, our morning glories back there. Look at this, a whole bunch of white ones growing at the same time. Wild. Very weird. All right. Okay, well, it's just a little clip here. Put that together at the end of the week. And our little lavender plant. It's coming to its end like all the other plants are. Oh, a lot more flowers on this one. Like this. Oh, it smells so good. It's interesting. I got all these flowers here, but all these ones here have already passed. Oh, let's come around and collect all these pods. They're very, very fragrant. And our Butch the sunflower. How it has survived, and still. Most people don't realize that there's different breeds of sunflowers. And this is just a different one. And look how all the morning glories just desperately climbing over everything. Yeah, everything else has been ripped out. The failed zucchini plant. Got a few zucchinis off of it. And of course our giant sunflower is finished. I think it's been stripped bare. Yep. And our other sunflower, there's still a few pieces left in there. Where we can see the yellowing starting, and some of the leaves are starting to die off on the morning glories. It's getting a lot of whites, morning glories all the way down. I think I took some footage earlier this week. We will see if we will put this into this video once I start compiling it for this update. And I'm amazed. I just noticed this. I have morning glories, seeds that have made their way all the way through the lawn. This will be interesting. Well, the lawn really is just a big pile of weeds. It's pretty certain that those Japanese beetles, all their grubs, have pretty well decimated most of the grass on the property by eating all the roots. Well, there we go. That's that. Well, if you have stuck around till the end, I really appreciate it. As we watch the last days of the garden And for those of you that were wondering about updates on the ostriches, if you've been following the news, they finally made the mainstream media. It's not over yet. Government is still trying to cull them without testing them. Interesting. Anyway, anywho, and all those other people. Thank you all for coming to watch. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Look at what the lavender is doing.